So this is Valerie with Wholesale Natural Body Care, and I'm out in the warehouse and I want to speak to you. So you want to start a hair care line, right? All right, so let's do it. Let's do the thing. So I'm in the warehouse, and if you were here, this is what you would be able to do. You would be able to come and shop the aisles, all of these amazing products, and you want to start a line with the hair care products. And so if you were here in our warehouse, you would see the many bottles of the Hairstar products. There are 5 products in the Hairstar line. We make it so simple for you to be able to start your line. Basically, all you would have to do, now just pretend like you're on the website, because you would literally see these products on the website. You would see the Hairstar conditioner. You would also see the Hairstar buttercream. It's listed on the website just like that. You would see the Hairstar shampoo. It's listed just like that. You would continue to walk the aisles, the growth balm that everybody needs to have. You would also see the Hairstar Nourishing Growth Oil. I'm going to just reach through here because we have so many. You would see our amazing Hairstar Hair Mist. This is our leave-in Hairstar Conditioner. And the good thing about this is in every one of our hair care lines, we have these same amazing products. And so when you get to your shopping cart, you're going to have all of them in your shopping cart. So let's go over it one more time. You would have your Hairstar Leave-In Hydrating Hair Mist, your Hairstar Conditioner, your Hairstar Shampoo, your Hairstar Nourishing Oil, your Hairstar Twisting Souffle. I forgot we got another product. You would also have the Hairstar Buttercream here and the Growth Balm. All of these products will be in your line. And once you get done with this, I'm going to show you what it would look like with the labels already on your product for your brand.